We're going to find the derivative of the function f of v. We're going to use the chain rule and the quotient rule, basically. So, we'll get started. And the first thing we're going to do is take the derivative of the outer function. So, f prime of v equals 6 times v to the v cubed plus, divided by v cubed plus 1 to the fifth. And you multiply this by the derivative of your inner function. So for the quotient rule, you take your denominator, multiply it by the derivative of your numerator, which is just 1. So I'm not going to, you can put the 1 there, but minus, you write your v, your numerator, times the derivative of the denominator, 3v squared. All right, and then you take your denominator, which is going to be v cubed plus 1 squared. Now I'm going to simplify this part a little bit. F prime of v, and I'm going to write this as 6v to the fifth divided by v cubed plus 1 to the fifth. So I just put this 5 inside here with those. All right. Now this part, it's a times. This is just going to be v cubed plus 1 minus 3v cubed divided by v cubed plus 1 squared. All right. So let's see what this equals. We're going to get 6v to the fifth. And my denominator, I'm just going to multiply these two together. So this is going to be v cubed plus 1 to the fifth times v cubed plus 1 squared. All right. And then this part here is just going to be 1 v cubed. That's going to be 1 minus 2v cubed. All right. Once you do that, there's one more step we can do. We can combine those using our product rule. So if you have x to the fifth times x squared, that gives you x to the seventh. So your final answer is going to be f prime of v equals 6v to the fifth times 1 minus 2v cubed divided by v cubed plus 1 to the seventh. And that would be your final answer. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.